Automated Utility Design, or AUD, brings together CAD, GIS, and enterprise planning systems to transform the utility design workflow. In this video, we will show you how a designer improves design quality while saving hours of work using connected data and automation. First, we'll link a drawing to a work order in the work order management system. Now that the data is linked, we'll bring in the CAD drawing the developer gave me with a small housing subdivision in it. We will design a distribution system with overhead primary, underground primary and secondary, service lines, transformers, and handholds. When beginning a new design, a utility designer needs to gather information from many different sources. With AUD, that process becomes much faster and more accurate. Here, I'm connecting to GIS and pulling in existing infrastructure, and transforming the connected GIS data from lines and blocks to intelligent objects, so I can incorporate the existing infrastructure in the design. I'll start by designing new overhead to come off the existing pole I just brought in. With just 3 clicks, I've placed 6 poles with attachments, insulators, crossarms, and conductors along this route at the appropriate intervals based on my engineering standards. The software is also smart enough to recognize that one of the poles isn't at the correct height, so I can automatically make the adjustments, and then proper guying is added to the design. Next, I'll move into the underground system for the subdivision. I've set the design to offset from the line that came in from the original CAD drawing, so I can follow the property line and stay within the utility easement. I'll place transformers and handholds in the design. AUD automates the appropriate pad, depth, and material selection, so all I have to do is point and click where I want the features. Now I'll place underground service lines. Using AUD's automation, all I need to do is click where I want service lines to connect, and AUD will place the service lines in the same trench at the appropriate depth with the right materials and update the bill of materials for this project. Let's take a look at this in 3D. I've been drawing in 2D, but AUD has automatically kept a 3D model of my entire design up to date in the background. I can switch back and forth, and wherever I make a change, it will be updated everywhere. This is a day's worth of traditional design work I just did in about 3 minutes, and as you can see, everything is done according to my design standards, and AUD is telling me if I need to review any annotations, materials, or placements to make sure I have a construction-ready design. AUD automatically conducts engineering analysis and runs the calculations for me. Now that I'm done with my design, I'll export this design back to GIS, where it will automatically be added in a proposed state. AUD automation and connected data turn this multi-day design project into a construction-ready proposed drawing in just a few minutes. What could AUD do in your design workflow?